Justin Vacula here in Shanghai, China. I'm here at the Garden Bridge. This is a short walk from where I'm staying, Hyatt on the Bund waterfront area. I'm going on a cruise today with Royal Caribbean. So I went to Hyatt on the Bund to get a little bit closer to the cruise terminal and have a nice stay. You can see this waterfront area, large tower on the other side. A little cloudy this morning. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. A tower on this side. It's lit up red at night, and some ships passing. Looks like a ferry and a cargo ship. And the bridge, you can see the bridge right here, some cars passing, and another bridge on the other side, and what looks to be a yellow mascot. See a Chinese flag and a taller building. And lots of people jogging, walking this morning, some bikes coming by. Good weather, a little bit of a breeze, maybe 65 degrees Fahrenheit. Looking forward to the upcoming cruise, Spectrum of the Seas with Royal Caribbean, but also getting some on land before I leave. You can see some lights and a barrier down below, some chains as well, I suppose restricting movement of some of the ships. And seems to be secure. A lot of cameras here, security or police as well. And lots of trees and flowers up ahead in this area. They called it the Garden Bridge, and we have some of that garden. People running by, some joggers, walkers. And East Nanjing Road, that's where I came on the metro to get here. Lots of shops open at night and probably during the day as well. Some flowers on the other side of the street. Different colors, reds and yellows. Really nice. On the side of the street, see more of these flower pots or fixtures. And the park area just ahead. See some public restroom signage and more red flowers on the bottom, some pinks on the sides, and some stairs to go down. You can also walk up here and get another view of this waterfront area on the Bund. Trees up above, some bushes and plants at the bottom. On the other side of the street, you can see what appears to be some office buildings or banks, and get another view of the bridge on this side. Another park on the other side of the street, some white flowers, and see the skyline. See some Chinese characters up above. Large brown building, some buses going by, sun wind, plug-in hybrid, and another bus approaching. Busy road area, looks like a moped or some kind of bike coming by. And see once again into the park. Hear some of the birds in the background and see the pink flowers on the edges. Some more buses coming by, common in this area. Lots of public transit. And as I mentioned, the metro not too far away, maybe about 20-minute walk from the metro to Hyatt on the Bund. And another bus looks more like a charter bus rather than the public. There are some sightseeing buses passing by as well. You can go in this side, it says no horns. And it's looks like an actual horn, like a musical instrument, rather than a car horn. And see some other buildings ahead. This one, a little bit cloudy, but you could see the top of it jutting up into the sky. And on this side, more clear, and see the Chinese flags. Another bus coming by, get another look of the park and the bridge in the background. Justin Vacula with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast here in Shanghai, China. Stay tuned for more content.